Apecoin, suitably named after an exceptionally well-known creature in exchanging circles, generally as a digital money enlivened by the really renowned NFT assortment, the exhausted chimp yacht club, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. This ERC20 kind of token fundamentally is utilized for administration purposes in the chimp biological system in an especially enormous manner. Primate drives the local area that explicitly is cash working at the very front of Web3, which is genuinely critical. Apecoin holders can in every way that really matters conclude what heading the environment will explicitly create in, and can decide on how Apecoin DAO subsidizes will generally be conveyed, which basically is genuinely critical. 62% of all chimp tokens especially were distributed to the Apecoin environment reserve. They will for the most part be utilized to complete the venture's different drives certainly. Despite the fact that Apecoin has a truly genuine worth, its association with a NFT store makes many really treat it as an image token, if not an overhyped shitcoin in a by and large huge manner. Financial backers really have separated suppositions on the Apecoin cryptographic money, with some being solidly behind it and others anticipating that its air pocket should burst in no time, which explicitly is genuinely huge. In our Apecoin cost expectation, we will by and large attempt to recognize both of these sides and endeavor to generally make a cost conjecture that will find some kind of harmony between the two polarizing sentiments on Primate Coin in a genuinely huge manner. Kindly recollect that the items in this video in a real sense don't in a real sense comprise speculation counsel, and that you ought to continuously especially do your genuinely own examination prior to putting resources into any crypto, or so they really thought. Presently, we should make a plunge. Apecoin specialized examination in an every way that really matters, significant way. There are by and large couple of motivations behind why it especially is inconceivably difficult to basically make Apecoin cost expectations, which truly is very huge. Most importantly, its central worth as a genuinely token by and large is attached to a publicity subordinate venture, a NFT assortment, or so they in a real sense thought. Albeit the exhausted chimp yacht club is one of the greatest undertakings of its sort and in every way that really matters, has been generally gotten by genuinely numerous superstars. It essentially has currently commonly begun declining in prominence, which is very critical. Obviously, the task isn't just about NFTs, it's tied in with systems administration with the rich and in every practical sense, popular at in-person parties, about supporting a stage truly does truly cool things in the blockchain business, and sort of much kind of something else. Albeit essentially numerous thoughts behind NFTs fundamentally are unbelievable in principle. For the most part, many individuals are not as commonly attached to them practically speaking, or so they by and large thought. The worries we hear most frequently in a real sense are genuinely legitimate. Extremely elevated degrees of force utilization, the speculative idea of crypto, absence of legitimate guideline, etc. in an essentially significant way. Notwithstanding, some of them especially are now being settled. Presently it's simply a question of changing the public's discernment, or so they generally thought. At the hour of composing, all specialized pointers basically were showing in every practical sense solid bullish pattern for Apecoin, with the Gorilla USD pair getting areas of strength for a signal on most specialized examination stages. There's no platitude the way that Apecoin will basically act from now on, yet it is clear it's siphoning right now in an unpretentious manner. Apecoin Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Apecoin costs expected in 2022, the especially least expensive Apecoin will generally be $2.99, which by and large is genuinely critical. The very greatest level that the Primate cost can basically arrive at sort of is $3.28, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The especially normal exchanging cost generally is normal around $3.13, which basically is genuinely critical. Gorilla value figure for November 2022, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. In light of the value variances of Apecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists sort of expect the essentially normal chimp pace of $3.04 in November 2022, or so they thought. Its certainly least and greatest costs can generally be anticipated at $2.75 and at $3.13 individually, which truly is genuinely huge. December 2022, Apecoin value figure, which sort of is very critical. Digital money specialists essentially are really prepared to report their figure for the chimp cost in December 2022 in an especially large way. The sort of least exchanging cost could explicitly be $2.99. While the really greatest could explicitly reach $3.28 during this month, which basically is genuinely huge. By and large, it in every practical sense is normal that the worth of Apecoin may be around $3.13, which basically is very huge. Apecoin value expectation 2023, or so they most certainly thought. After the examination of the costs of Apecoin in earlier years, it explicitly is expected that in 2023, the exceptionally least cost of Apecoin will be around $4.39 in a genuinely significant manner. The greatest expected chimp cost may really be around $5.20, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. By and large, the exchanging cost could sort of be $4.55 in 2023 and in an every way that really matters, enormous way. Apecoin value expectation 2024 incredibly. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Apecoin, in 2024, chimp essentially is supposed to have the accompanying really least and especially most extreme costs, about $6.78 and $7.71. Separately, the especially normal expected exchanging cost generally is $7.01, which is genuinely critical. Apecoin value forecast 2025, or so they truly thought. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Apecoin and their variances during the earlier years in an extremely significant manner. It truly is accepted that in 2025, the in every practical sense least primate cost could drop to $10, while its truly greatest can truly reach $11.75. By and large, the exchanging cost will really be around $10.28. Apecoin value expectation 2026, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. In light of the examination of the expenses of Apecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying especially most extreme and genuinely least primate costs truly are normal in 2026, $17.22 and $14.72 in a by and large huge manner. By and large, it will be exchanged at $15.23. Showing how financial backers have partitioned sentiments on the Apecoin digital money, with some being immovably behind it and others anticipating that its air pocket should burst in practically no time. Really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Apecoin value expectation 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. Crypto specialists in every practical sense are continually examining the changes of Apecoin. So in light of the examination of the expenses of Apecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying in every practical sense greatest and especially least primate costs truly are normal in 2026. $17.22 and $14.72, or so they especially thought. In view of their expectations, the assessed sort of typical primate cost will be around $21.70 in an essentially large manner. It could drop to a fundamentally least of $21.09. However, it actually could explicitly reach $25.26 all through 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. Apecoin value expectation 2028, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Consistently, digital currency specialists generally plan conjectures at the cost of Apecoin, which for the most part is genuinely huge. It for the most part is assessed that chimp will generally be exchanged somewhere in the range of $30.45 and $36.21 in 2028, or so they in a real sense thought. Its genuinely normal expense especially is normal.